Okay, so quick update on uranium. So again, using CCJ as a proxy, Cameco. So we'll start on the weekly chart, see where we are in the cycle. So we did get a weekly, and this is being recorded on February 6th. So the that last week of January was last week, and so we did get a swing low at one point because we did get above that previous week's high, but we did not close there. We pulled back, and we can see that on the daily chart what happened. So that week was week 23. It's possible that was your ICL, your weekly cycle low, but we'll have to see. I mean, the markets are so correlated, and if stocks really are moving into a YCL, unlikely that we already printed an ICL for uranium, but we'll have to see. It's also possible that we did get a weekly cycle low, and this new weekly cycle is just going to be left translated, which would actually be the most bearish scenario. And if you look at the daily chart, it looks like we did get our DCL, so daily cycle low, on January 28th. That was day 27. Then we actually got a pretty bearish looking top on day 3 here, which was a bit of a double top with this level here. And we got bearish follow through. But then Friday, I think this is a bullish engulfing. If it's not, technically, it is, basically in spirit, right? Like this is a very strong candle. Almost looks like it closed almost on the highs. So that would be day 5. And so my thinking is we probably make a new high above here. So that would be, call it, 2083. So probably some short-term upside here, which again makes me think because general market was so indecisive last week that maybe we do have a bit more upside next week just for general equities as well. Because this is a pretty bullish setup, like really setting you up for that move above 2083, maybe 21. But then it's also possible we get up there and then we fail from there. But at least the levels are pretty clear, and I think below this low becomes your stop very easily, 1904. So important week coming up. The date starting February 7th. So we'll see.